Hey folks, Ramble here. I'm back with another video. This time, I will show you how I created the scene I am now using as the backdrop for my videos. You see, when I created my digital avatar, I decided that I wanted to create a digital studio for this character, something that could be more than just a video backdrop, a place that could tell its own story, separate from whatever time-lapse is showing. So to make this idea work, I used the same approach as I did with my avatar, where I drew each part of the scene on a separate layer and then exported each one with transparency. Then the parts I wanted to move independently were taken into Blender and animated for a short loop, anywhere from 3 to 5 seconds. I then exported it as an image sequence so that I could loop it infinitely in my video editor. After that, I simply brought all the layers into my video editor, Blender in this case, and stacked and adjusted them in order, imported the time-lapse footage, and compiled and rendered it just like any other video. In time, I hope to evolve this little studio environment with more characters, props and Easter eggs. If you guys have any ideas, feel free to drop them in the comments. Till next time, thank you for watching, and wherever you are and wherever you're going, safe travels.